Hello everyone. Today I will walk you through our new recurring campaign feature. It lets you schedule campaigns to run automatically on a repeating schedule instead of sending them once or at a single time. I'll start by creating a new campaign. I'll set up the campaign basics, choose the channel, select a template, and add contacts. I'll go through importing the contacts via the CSV. You can also enter in the contact numbers or copy or paste, as well as select from the CRM option as well. These steps are same as for regular campaigns. And next, on the schedule step, you will see three options: immediate, schedule later, and recurring. The new option is recurring, which lets you set up automated recurring sends. Recurring campaigns are a premium feature. If your plan doesn't include them, you will see a premium badge here. I'll select recurring. That opens the recurring schedule dialog. In the recurring schedule dialog, you can configure how often the campaign runs. Means there are four frequencies, that is hourly, daily, weekly, and monthly. You choose the time of the day when the campaign runs and the time zone. The time picker supports 90-minute intervals and search. Time zone options include local time. Let me show you. The time zone options include local time, UTC, Asia, Kolkata, Asia, Dubai, etc. So based on your needs, you can select any of the time zone that you want. And for weekly options, there are the name of the days that you want to select. You can also select multiple days if you want. And for monthly options, you have to pick the day of the month that you want. You can use a specific date or the last date of the month. It's any date that you want the campaign to be repeated. For hourly options, you set how often it repeats. For example, every 1 hour, every 2 hour, every 3 hour, and so on. So that is also dependent on you. For me, let it be 2 hours as for now. And for the date range selection, we set a start date and optionally an end date. If we want an on date, then it is mandatory to select an end date for the campaign to end. But if you want to go with forever, you will get a note here that this schedule will keep sending messages until you manually stop it or your balance is exhausted. Matlab, this will keep running until your balance gets exhausted or you have manually stopped the campaign. And after filling all the details, you get a summary text here that defines occurs that is the recurring campaigns occurs every 2 hours at 9 a.m. starting March 18 to 2026. So based on your details, it will show the summary text here. And then save and schedule. As you configure the schedule, you have already seen a summary appears at the bottom. It shows the schedule in plain language. When you are done, click save schedule. But before that, the automation setting is optional. Means if you want your campaign to get automated, you can also do that. But this is also a premium feature. It's for campaign automation. So after filling all the details, we will save and preview the campaign. Now let me show you how the campaign list page is after creating our recurring campaign. So you can see the name of the title of the campaign that we have created along with the icon of the recurring. That is this. This is the icon for the displaying the recurring campaigns. And in scheduled on options, you will see the next occurrence date and time. The next occurrence that the recurring campaign will recur again. And for immediate, it is as immediate only, but for recurring campaigns, it will show the next date and time. And then we have after clicking on this, the recurring campaign analytics page opens. The recurring campaign analytics page shows the campaign title with a repeat icon and its status, and that is active, processing, scheduled, paused, stopped, or completed. There are actions buttons as well. You can sync to refresh the data, delete the campaign, or stop if it is running, or resume if it is paused or stopped. The overview section shows key details such as created date, message template, status, estimated cost, frequency, start date, previous occurrence, next occurrence, target contacts, occurrence count, targeted messages count, and total record campaigns. If your automation is configured, it will also reflect here. Then in the campaign performance section that displays the performance metrics, the performance section shows aggregate metrics across all occurrences, means overview count, sent, delivered, read, text, reply, button clicked, and failed. Each metric shows a percentage of the target contacts. If any of the campaign gets failed, a failed report will also be shown below the campaign performance with the error code and the reason and the solution displaying what and why it has failed. And the completed recurring campaign list will show each occurrence as a separate row. Means this is the parent recurring campaign, and if the completed recurring campaign list or the child recurring campaigns will be shown here. So for now, let me show you a previous recurring campaign that was created from our side, and you can see this is also a recurring campaign which has the overview section, campaign performance, and this is the completed recurring campaign list or the child recurring campaign that is shown here. So now let me drill into a child recurring campaign and show you what is there. Clicking on a row opens the standard campaign analytics for that specific occurrence. You can see contacts, delivery, and replies for that run. From a child analytics, the back button returns you to the recurring campaign analytics page, so you can move between the parent and its occurrences easily. Recurring campaigns is a premium feature, as I have already discussed. If your plan doesn't include them, saving the schedule of shows an upgrade prompt. You can upgrade or dismiss it. This will occur during the campaign creation time. Recurring campaigns support broadcast reply, that is the automation, as I discussed, that it is also a premium feature. This is configured, all these are configured during the campaign creation time. So for summary, let me summarize the details that I've given. That is, the recurring campaigns let you automate repeated sends on hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly schedules with time zone support and flexible date ranges. You can monitor your performance and drill into each occurrence from the dedicated analytics piece. Such as I've shown you that this is the parent recurring campaign, and you can drill into the child recurring campaign and go back from here. Means go on and on through the go deep through the parent to the child recurring campaigns and return back to the parent campaign. You can easily monitor your performance and analytics here. So this is all for the recurring campaign. Thank you very much.